presenting a pre-owned 2025 Volvo S60. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and an 8-speed shiftable transmission. This Volvo is a great value with less than 11,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 27 miles per gallon in the city and 36 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include climate package, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power, door locks, stability control, and traction control.